Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you a beginner balisong trick called the loop aerial. And this one is beginner, and my friend and I made this up, and I bet there's a lot of you that have done this before, but it just didn't have a name, or maybe it does have a name. If it does, let me know. I've been gone for a bit from YouTube because I'm currently in the process of moving, and I bought a studio. Super exciting. So I'm going to be doing a lot of my videos in that studio, but I have to set it up and everything. So look forward to that in the future. Okay, so to do the loop aerial, you're going to be holding the knife by the safe handle. That's where you have your finger that's not hitting the blade. And you're going to be doing a double rollout, but it's not going to land in front of you like it normally does. It's going to be a one roll, and then you're going to go backwards like this towards your right side. While you're doing this double rollout, you're going to have your whole hand towards the end of the safe handle, because that'll get you in the ready momentum for the next part of the trick. Okay, so for this part you're going to be doing a full rotation with the knife still in your hand. Then you're going to be doing a full rotation and a quarter in the air. You're going to be basically going like this and throwing the knife right when you get to this part, right when it comes like this. So the momentum's going to help you with this. So you're going around, up, and you're throwing it, and it has to be kind of a hard, controlled throw. You want it to look like a cartwheel in the air. So you're going out, you're going here, and then you're going to be doing the throw, and it's going to go in the air. 1, 2, or it's basically 1 1/4, and you're going to catch it like this. I'm going to do this a little bit faster with some momentum. So you're going to be going double rollout to the right side. You're going to be doing a counterclockwise hard circle, throwing it in the air and catching it, basically like that. Remember to throw it a little harder than you expect so you don't catch the blade or cut yourself. And I honestly would try this with a trainer first. This is a real blade, but I would practice this on a trainer until you get it down, because you got to get the correct momentum speed down. Thanks so much to my Patreons for helping and supporting me, especially with buying my knives from my website, artseaflips.com. I use that profit to buy the studio, buy the equipment that I use in all my videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them, or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I'll get back to you within a week.